Everyone. In this video, we will see how we can create WordPress blog using AWS CloudFormation. So this is my management console and I'm having Bombay region as selected here. So first we need to go to CloudFormation console. So I will click on my CloudFormation. So this is my CloudFormation console. So here we can say create stack. First we need to create a stack. In the stack, we will get some options. So here we can see we are having like prepare template, and these are the steps we need to follow for creating a stack. So here we can see we are having prepare template. We are having template is ready, use a sample template, create template in designer. So template is ready if we have already created a template or we can save one configuration file, YAML based or JSON based file in our local machine. So we can select this option and we can upload that template. But if you want to use built-in template, so some built-in templates are also available. So we can choose this like use a sample template. So once we click on this, we can say sample templates. So number of templates will show these templates are already available. So we can directly use these CloudFormation templates for creating or for provisioning a website. So in this case, we are going for WordPress blog. So we will go with the simple one, and we can see here this template installs WordPress with a local MySQL database for storage. We will select this one. So we will scroll down a little. We can see this template is we have selected basically, and then we will open this template in designer just to see what all the informations are available in this template. So like this, it will open in designer. We can see. So we are having one instance here and we are having some security groups and we just select YAML so that it will be easy to understand and maximize this. We can see here in this template, this is the description and we are having some parameters, key name, what type of instance we want. These are the allowed values in this particular template, or user can select only these values or these type of instances once we are going to apply this template. And by default value is t2.small here. And what other things we are having? We are enabling SSH. We are creating one database. So for that, we are having DB name, database username and password. And we have set some rules as well. What are the characters allowed in DB password? And then we are having mapping in this template, mapping from we can say template or instance type to particular architecture. And then we can see what else we are having. Then we are having one more mapping, that is region mapping to the AMI. So like this is the AF South one. This is one region in this image we want to use. So this is one mapping. So like this mapping we are having in this template. Then we are creating one web server. Basically EC2 instance name is web server in this case. And we can see here further some configurations we are putting here. So this is the way we can configure the template in JSON format or YAML format. So what else we are having? We can see like some properties we are putting for this particular EC2 instance, whatever instance is getting provision for us. This is like image ID, then instance type, security groups are also getting, some user data is also there in this template. And we can see here we are creating some policy as well. Some simple policies there, and then this is the output. So output is basically we will get the URL of our website. So this is the template. So in this template, a lot of things are there. Instead of creating or provisioning these resources manually, we are using CloudFormation, or we are doing basically infrastructure as code. So we are good with this template. We will click on this icon. This is like create stack. Yes, we want to create stack with this template. We will simply click on this. Once we will click on this, we will redirect to the same URL, and this template is already selected. We will simply say next here. We can give some stack name. I can see my WordPress website. This is my template name, parameters. So We can give DB password, DB root password, username, instance type, everything we can select. So we can select like DB name we can give. I have given one name, and DB user we can say maybe admin. Instance type we can select any instance type here, but for the time we want t2.micro. These values are coming due to our configuration in the template. We have provided like allowed values. So these are the multiple values. These are the allowed values actually. User has to select values from this. We can give key name. So already I'm having one key in my local machine, so I will give that name. SSH will give 0.0.0 IP, so all user will able to access this website. We will go next. We can give some text name here, some permissions we can give, or stack failure options, advanced options. Lot of things are available, but we will go with default options as of now. We will simply say next. We can review. Is anything pending? We can see this is my template. This is the description from the template, and this is basic information about the database. Because we are having local MySQL database in this case, we can edit also this information if required. And these are the other informations. We are going with the default, so we are not configuring anything here. We will simply say here create stack. So we can see stack is starting now. Stack is getting created. We will just refresh it, and it will take some time because a lot of things are there. Local database is there, EC2 instance is there, security groups are there, then some policy user data will get applied, and then finally we can see this is the outputs. So once my website is ready, we will get output here. That URL we will get, because in the template we have given output. And if you want to see our template, we can click on this. We can see this is my template. So if we scroll down, we can see we have given output. So here that URL will come once this server will get created, or this website will get created or hosted, we will get the URL. So these are the parameters we have given. So if you want to see the parameters, we will able to see here. Output, once it get created, we will get here. Resources, as part of this stack, whatever resources going to create, we will able to see here. We can see one security group got created. Now one web server is getting created. This is basically EC2 instance. So we need to wait for some time because we can see resource creation initiated here. Events, under events, we will able to see every step. What after applying this particular template, what all the steps are going. So like first user initiated, then resource creation initiated, then resource creation initiated here. So we are having security groups created, and now web server is getting created. So we will wait for some time as stack is going to update or provision resources for us. We can keep refresh this page, and we can see it got completed now. So we can see the resources as well, and resources also we can see it got completed. So ideally, if stack is created successfully or stack has provisioned the resources successfully, we should get the output. Let's click on this and refresh. Yeah, we can see WordPress website is ready. This is my URL. Simply click on this. It will open like this. So this is our WordPress website. So even we will able to provide some information also, like my web something, username, maybe admin. So this is like WordPress website. So for WordPress website, user is going to do some registration. So this is the registration process, we can say. We can say change me 123, or we can say change me @123 hash some password. You can give your email. So I can give like jane.best@gmail.com. We can check. So this is the password. Just remember this. So we can see like fully functional website got created actually with the help of just applying the template. So even you can see user and password also got created, and we will able to log into our website as well. So even if you forgot the password, you will able to change it, or you can go to my web again. So like this, it will open my web. So this is your website, Hello World. We can see here. It's powered by WordPress. So this website, from where it is running? This website is running in AWS cloud environment. And we configured this everything, or we configured the database and the EC2 instances with the help of a CloudFormation template. We are having one template for that. So now we will go back. We want to go to our CloudFormation page. So as we can see, our website is running, and this is the output of our website. Now, if we want to delete this website or whatever that resources code created as part of creation of this website. So one way is there, we will delete the resources manually, like EC2 instances, security group, databases, whatever resources code created during this process. One way is there, we can simply delete the stack. So stack will automatically roll back everything. It will automatically delete or remove or terminate the EC2 instance. It will take care. So it is, we can see here it is giving warning. Do we really want to delete this stack? Yes, we want to delete this stack. We will click on this. Now delete in progress. Again, we can go to our stack and we can see the events. And we can see what is happening. Delete process started. We can see the resources also. We can see already delete in progress. So first our EC2 instance is getting deleted, then security group. So one more thing we can see here, CloudFormation is able to understand sequence of resources. It's not like first it will delete directly server and the database. It will able to follow some sequence. Like we need to follow some sequence for creation of resources. Like first EC2 instance should be there, then security groups are there. We will apply then only. If EC2 instance are not there, how we will apply the security group? So this is like one sequence. So this sequence, CloudFormation is able to understand. During deletion process also, or even creation process, CloudFormation will follow this sequence. So CloudFormation is intelligent and able to understand YAML or JSON and sequence. So we can see here, first instance is getting deleted and then security group got deleted. We will go output. So if we see our stack is got deleted successfully, no need to check anything else here. So this is the way how we can use a built-in template from the CloudFormation, and we created one simple example, or we created a simple website, that is WordPress website, and that is fully functional website. We have created one database is there, local database basically, and EC2 instances are there, security groups are there, and every linking is there. We were having the user name, we were having password, and we were able to configure that database. We were able to configure the username and the password for the database. So that was the fully functional website we have created. So that's it in this video. Thank you.